एक्साइटमेंट देख रहे हो मेरी तुम चेहरे पे? जानते हो इसका रीज़न क्या है? आज मैं तुम्हारे साथ ऐसे 2 सॉलिड फ्रेमवर्क शेयर करने वाला हूँ ना, अगर तुम्हें इसको यूज़ करना आ गया ना, तो यू विल स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग एन इंस्टेंट कनेक्शन विद द पीपल यू आर टॉकिंग टू एंड स्पेशली द गर्ल्स. Hey champ, what's happening your side? I don't know about you, but from my side, I just had 2 trips in this corona pandemic. No, I'm not talking about the trip that you're thinking right now. I actually had it enough. I just wanted to go out of my home. I want to go out to the restaurant. I want to eat my favorite dish, Kerala paratha and boti fry. Like, बात करते मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. Anyways, I want to go to Phoenix Mall. I want to try out new clothes. I want to buy new clothes. I want to meet new people. I want to give boot camp to new students who are trying to reach me from last 3 months कि भाई boot camp कब है, मेरे को ये बताओ. मैंने कहा भाई लॉकडाउन है, मैं क्या करूँ. I wanna go for a small trips, yeah, but I cannot. I'm stuck like you, everybody else, like in these 4 walls of our home. We're sitting, we are working, we are eating, we are consuming content, and we are repeating this. Anyways, let's keep all this thing aside and let's talk about the things that we want to talk about, which is how to be a conversation king, so that we'll no longer be a guy who is like pickupish and understands the art and science behind the crazy conversation, that amazing conversation. And you see, it doesn't matter if you go into a club or a mall or a bar or you're meeting your mutual friends, a close circle, a business meeting. It doesn't matter at all. If you apply all these rules, behavior and mindset, you will be able to create that attraction. You will be able to have that attention and that deep rapport, that deep connection with the person you're talking to. And from there you can take the things forward. Isn't it amazing? You are watching My Wingman and it's your wingman Abhishek, and in this channel we talk about relationship and dating advice, personality development, and how to bring out that sleepy lion inside of you, my friend. So let's start this video. How are you? I'm asking you, man. How are you? Yes, I'm talking to you only. How are you, man? Well, I'm sure that you will not be able to answer these questions when you're watching this video. Yeah, sure, you can comment in the comment section, but I'll tell you what you might be thinking and what your response might have been. You might be saying max to max, like, I'm good, or इसके अलावा like, I'm fine. थोड़ा और वर्ड्स ले लेते हैं. You might be thinking, I'm fine, dude, what about you? Now you might be thinking, how do I know all these answers, right? Okay, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Actually 99% of the people don't know how to have a conversation. They don't have anything better to say, and that's why all the boring and the repetitive answers, it's just like automation. They're not even present to the question that you asked. It's like you ask, how are you? You're like, yeah, I'm fine. What about you? How are you? Now you only tell me. If I'm gonna reply I am good to your question of how are you, do you have anything to reply on? Do you have anything to hang on, any hooks to hang on to take this conversation forward? No, you don't have, because it's a closed ended sentence, right? I'm not giving you much to talk about. At the best, what you can say is, I'm good, dude, what's new in your life? Can you see the craziness of this conversation? It's just like you just saw that person, started the conversation, but you don't have much to talk about, and now you're thinking in your head like, when I'm gonna end this conversation. और यही होता है जब एक बंदा गया है और they start talking to a girl and after a minute or a 2 or a 3 they are like, अब तो मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं बात करने के लिए, I don't have much to talk about. So they pre-eject from the situation. They're like, यार I'm not having that connection with the girl, I don't know what to talk about, I don't know what to say, so I ejected from that situation. Ever happened with you? Well, it happened multiple times with me. Have you ever noticed when you're talking to your friend or a family over the phone and you're like saying, और बताओ क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारी लाइफ में नया? And I took it that far once, like few days back, my dad called me and I like crazy story. I was sitting in the balcony, I was just chilling, and he called and started talking and he's like, और बताओ बेटा तुम्हारी लाइफ में नया क्या चल रहा है? I was like, सामने पेड़ है, उसके नई पत्ती आ गई है, वो और हरा हो गया है. सामने एक प्लॉट है, वहाँ पे फूल उग गए हैं क्योंकि बारिश हो रही है. एक कुत्ता है यहाँ पे, उसकी फैमिली बन गई है, उसके 9 पिल्ले हैं. और बताओ आप क्या चल रहा है? तो ये लाइक फॉर अ मोमेंट ही वाज लाइक, ही क्रैक्ड एंड ही सेड लाइक, ये जो फूल है वो प्लॉट में वो कौन सा है? लाइक नाउ आई हैव गिवन हिम सम टॉपिक्स टू टॉक अबाउट रैदर देन जस्ट आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू, ऐसे ऐसे करके. आई जस्ट फेल्ट एंड आई जस्ट हैविंग फन. उस मोमेंट में जो मुझे दिखा मैंने बोल दिया, सिंपल एज दैट, एंड वी हैड फन इन दैट कन्वर्सेशन. So my proposal to you is simple. How about we reply with an interesting answer to these kind of boring question? How about we show up like nobody else? We'll be different. We'll be remembered, right? We'll not be another forgotten face. I'm sure it happened with you when you saw that person with a different style, sense of style, with hairstyle, with clothes, or the conversation they had was kind of different. You just remember every detail of it, don't you? It's like you talk to yourself when you say that there was something different about that person here. Kuch to alag tha, to alag tha. So now how we are going to reply with an interesting answer to these kind of boring questions. So let's say if somebody asks me how are you, I don't reply with I am good or I am fine. I would just say I'm feeling excited just because I found out my book which I was looking for last month, and I found out that one of my friend actually stole it from me. You can end the sentence here. It's way better than I am good and I am fine, because there are elements which the other person can pick and start talking to me, right? They will get to know that I love reading books. They might be even thinking which book he is talking about. They might be even thinking about the friend that stole that book. They might be thinking about the struggle that I had the whole month while I was looking for the book, right? There are multiple topics that they can pick and start talking to me. If not, then I'll start talking about that stuff. Isn't it better than good and I am fine? You know what? You can take one step further. You can say, do you have friends like that who borrow stuff from you and never returns it back? So basically now you're talking about some relatability factor here, right? In the conversation, now you're gonna see that everybody does have a friend who borrows stuff from them and never returns it back on the time. They have to ask. It can be money, it can be other object, right? And now we are relating to it. Now she will be getting some sparks in her head. She will be understanding, okay, this guy makes sense, this guy is relatable, this guy is social, right? Or to push it further, you can even say like, oh my god, I just hate these kind of people. Wait, what? Like, I'm sure you're not one of them, right? Oh, I'm just kidding, don't worry, we can be friends, right? So you see there's a smooth push and pull happen in between. So with this kind of conversation, which is way far better than I am good, I am fine, don't you think so? And it goes on and on and on and on and on, and it lead to the most amazing conversation you're gonna ever had with anybody. And especially if it's a girl, all you need to do is little bit of escalation, little bit of leading, exchange the numbers, set up the date, meet her, find if you guys are connecting to each other, like little bit connection is there or not, and boom. Isn't it easy? Haven't I made the whole process super easy now? You know what, you can also say that, I am feeling more present because I'm talking to you right now. It's a little more seductive of the side. Or you can even say I am feeling amazing dot dot dot. You can add I am feeling amazing because dot dot dot, right? You can fill in the blanks with anything you want, right? It doesn't matter, it have to work, it doesn't matter, it have to be like you had the best pasta of your life, you had the crunchiest apple of your life, you had anything can fit in that dot dot dot, right? You see all these answer or all these things that I'm talking about are way better than good or I am just fine. Why? Because they are coming out to be more fun, they are not boring at all. They are coming as I am in the present moment, right? I'm talking to her, I'm having a conversation, I'm not an automation that, hey dude, how are you? I'm like, I'm fine dude, what about you? It's not like that. And the best thing is I'm giving her hooks to hang on, or what I call it, like I'm giving her hot a hooks of talks. And more importantly, I'm coming out as different from everybody else, like everybody she had ever had a conversation with. And now she's gonna remember me, and now she's gonna think about me, and now I'm in her head, and now we are forming a connection, and now we can take things forward, as I've already talked about that in the video. And that was the rule number one that I told you, my friend. And the rule says show up differently than everybody else, like literally everybody else, in the conversation, in the way you representing yourself, which basically peacocking we bolte hain isko, the way you dress differently, right? So this is an amazing rule, show up differently than everybody else. You want to know one more secret of the great conversations and to lead further in more depth? That's rule number two that I'm going to talk about. And the rule number two says you don't have to be talking about the surface level things. You want to talk about the emotions and the value behind it. I repeat, you don't have to talk about the surface level things, and you don't want to talk about the surface level things. You want to talk about the emotions and the values behind it. Don't worry about the rule. I'm gonna make it easy for you. So let's understand in this way. Let's assume there's a girl sitting next to you in the flight or in the cab. By the way, it doesn't have to be a girl or a guy, it can be anybody. So let's assume there's a girl next to you, and while having the conversation, she just told you that she recently quit her job. Now, what's gonna come in your head? What are the things that you wanna be talking to her? So here are the things that I feel that all the people that will be talking to her will be saying these things. Like first being, so what you were working as, what was your previous job, why you left that job, what happened, what are the reasons, what are your plans now, right? And all these points are super valid. These points are great to talk about, right? Definitely better than being quiet and being in an awkward moment, definitely. But we have something, we can even take it more further. Now we're going to be talking about the emotions and the values behind it. So now I want you to imagine a matrix with two columns, one as emotion, one as value. Now I want you to imagine the emotion a person might be going through when they're quitting their job, right? And these emotions can be anything. It can be uncertainty, it can be maybe certainty also, it can be freedom, it can be stress, it can be a relief, it can be fear, it can be a lot, right? So how about we take one point out of it and then talk about that. Okay, just focus here. All the points that I mentioned in the emotions section, right? Don't you think every human being might have experienced these all emotions? Or now, don't you think even the girl who just recently switched her job or quit her job, the chances are she have experienced those emotions for sure, right? So how about we don't talk about the surface level thing, we just talk about the values and the emotions behind it. And by the way, golden statement here, you go from exterior to interior, you don't just go interior directly, right? When you go directly to interior, there will be a blockage from the other person because there is no rapport between you and her or the other person that you're talking to. So golden statement one, always go from exterior to interior, never the other way around, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Now just pick a emotion from it. You can pick any emotion. So let's, for example, let's pick a emotion of feeling free, like freedom. You can say, oh man, I can totally relate. You know, the sense or the feeling of that freedom when you just quit your mundane job, you cannot just express in words, can you? So basically, what are you up to these days, you free bird? Like, what's your plan? Now let's take another emotion, which is let's say uncertainty, right? So now take uncertainty, and you could have said that, okay, now what are the new things you are up to? What are you like after quitting? What are your new projects or something like that, right? But what if we use that emotion of uncertainty? You can say that I can totally understand. Like when I first quit my job, I was totally uncertain, but I was for sure know that I don't want to do this job, and things work out pretty well for me. So, what's the new project that you're working on recently? Right? You can talk about these things. Now, I want you to take a pause and see the difference of you just asking why you quit that job, what was your job, and the difference that I talked about in 2 points. Can you see the emotion coming in these points? Can you see the women will be able to relate to you? Let just forget about women. Everybody will be able to relate to you. Now, don't you become a great conversationalist just by using the emotions and the values? So, by the way, values हमने किया नहीं है. So, let's take a value. Now, what do you think are the values of a person who just recently quit the job? Do they value their time? Do they value their skill? Do they value their dreams more rather than working for somebody else? So how about we take any of these elements and just form a sentence or say something about that in our conversation. So let's take an example of dreams. So you can say, I once heard the people who dare to dream are the people who only succeed. I'm sure you might be having a crazy ass dream in your mind, don't you? Now you can even take a different value set, which is timing. Let's say you can talk about, don't you feel that 9 to 5 at times restricts you and don't allow you to polish your skills or hone your skills to become a better version of yourself, or to give more to the world, right? So what are these things that you're doing right now with your time? See, we touched on the values too, we touched on the emotions too, and now we are more relatable to her. Now we are more acceptable to her. Now we are talking sense. Now we are making a good conversation here. If you're gonna notice, by the way, in all the points that I've talked about, again, in all these, I'm showing up like differently from everybody else she have had met in her life so far. Be it like school friends, college friends, colleagues, anybody are anybody. Like I'm showing up very differently that she's gonna remember my face. She's gonna remember what kind of emotions I gave. She's gonna remember, oh, that was a cool guy I wanna hang out with. That was a cool guy I wanna talk to. That was a cool guy I'm gonna meet to. Simple as that, as I told you. And let me tell you a crazy thing here. With all these conversation hacks and the things that I'm talking about, when I was in the learning phase, right, I had a crazy ass time. Like, for example, I just had party in an airport, like Bangalore airport. I was just standing in the line. Few air hostesses joined me back in the line, right? Started talking to them, and after 10 minutes, what I'm seeing is I'm sitting with them in their table. There were girls, 4 or 5. There was a guy or one or two, and we were having a great party. We were like eating amazing chicken over there. I had to pay nothing, like literally nothing, and I just met them. We had a great conversation. I always, not exactly always, then most of the time gets the seat which I want in my when I'm traveling in plane. Even most of the time, the extra legs place one without even paying extra. The stories are endless, man. Entries to the club are easy. Forming the connection with the girl or even talking to anybody is pretty easy after doing all this conversation. See, these are the 2 conversation hack out of 30 that I've given you, and you can have a crazy deep conversation with the people you are talking to. And you ask why? So just imagine if you're going out and you're talking to 50 people. You have opened 50 people and you started having conversation. To take things forward and to take things the way you want to, you have to have a great conversation with them. Else what they will think is just some weird guy who stopped them, started talking to them, doesn't make any sense, he's not fun, he's, I don't know, like, why the fuck I'm talking to him? Like, let's get the fuck out of here, right? So the conversation is the key, and I can go so far as pickup only have 2 pillars. I'll talk about that in later, but pickup does have 2 pillars. One is conversation, one is awareness, nothing else. So before ending this video, I want to give you 2 tasks to try on and incorporate that behavior that I've already talked about into your head so that it will come natural to you. You don't have to, use pen and paper always to write down the metrics of emotions and values, and you don't have to, imagine what you can say on I'm amazing because dot dot dot, right? So, task number 1, talk to somebody or call somebody because of the social distancing thing happening, right? And just ask them, how are you? With the sole purpose of just waiting to hear their response, and then later sharing your response the way that I've already told you. I want to make you one step further. Even let's add task to here. Write down, I am feeling good, I am excited, I am sad, I am terrible because of XYZ reason. Just write down few 1 or 2 lines for each and every points here. And now it will become automatic for you. You have something that you have already written down. You have something in your head to talk about, right? Isn't it amazing? Now I want you to focus on task number 3. And the task number 3 is just think about 3% that you know a little bit about them. Write down on a pen and paper, make a matrix on in one column as an emotion, one column as a value, as I showed you on the screen, and just write down as many as things you want, like the emotions that the person connects with, the values they have. What this exercise is going to do is you will be able to understand when you're talking to somebody, right, with what emotion they're talking to you, with what values they're talking to you, and how you're going to be using them, all the emotions and the values that they're talking about. And later you don't even need to use all the pen and paper, it will always be in your head, like microscope, cut emotion, cut value, oh, this is happening, here it is, simple as that. So you just saw these exercises, golden statement and rules out of the 50 plus things that I talked about in my Conversation King program. And by the way, I'm doing this course on 21st of June, that is gonna be coming Sunday 5 p.m. IST sharp, and I'm taking only 10 people for this amazing mind-blowing course that I'm talking about. In this program, we will be having sessions of 2 hours each with extra time of Q&A session, in which I'll be talking to you, giving the feedback that why you are not able to do that particular task, what are the beliefs that you're missing and not able to do that task, what's the one thing which is stopping you to do that, right? I will be over there, I will be guiding you, I will be helping you and sorting out this problem once for all, right? I will be talking about the 6 pillars, which will be: 1, mindset and the rules of a great conversation; 2, ways of influence; 3, art and science of asking amazing questions; 4th, positioning and embedding the high status signal in other person's head; 5th, storytelling, the way that people just hook on to, like people just stare you and waits for each and every word of yours; and 6th, the most important part of any conversation, which is listening, how the shut the fuck up like a king listens to and then converse, which is, I feel, is most important topic to talk about. With this, I will be handing out few task PDF, some golden statement PDF and some rule PDFs for you to carry with you in your phone, so that it will be handy for you, right, to repeat the things, to indulge with them properly and to get those things in your head. You don't have to, open up your laptop. You just see the list, check out the PDF, you just open it, and boom, here are the exercises, and boom, here are the mindset and the beliefs and the patterns that I talked about. Isn't it super easy? And after going through this entire program, you will never worry while talking to a girl or a group of people or in a business or completely new people around you, that how do you converse like a king, how do you hold their attention, how do you build that connection, how you make them listen to you more, what you have to say, like how they finds you interesting, and how even they can go extra mile for you to do a favor to you. As I've already told you that the seats are limited and it will be 10 people per batch. I'm not gonna take more, that's my guarantee. And the price is dirt cheap. The price would be 5k. Now you might be asking, like, for these kind of stuff, for these kind of transformational program, why are you charging 5k? Why so dirt cheap? My answer to you is, my mentorship, oh, by the way, I don't call it mentorship, I call it mentor camp. So my mentor camp program is very huge. It's just a very small part of it that I'm teaching you right now, which I feel is very, very, very important than even healing your inner child and all these stuff. And I personally feel, even if you know how to converse, right, your half of the approach anxiety just go like this. But as I'm talking to not one on one, I'm talking to like 10 people, it's helping me to save my time, and I can do other stuff, I can create more other programs for you like this. And that's the only reason I'm reducing the price to 5k. Now you understand why the price is so dirt cheap for this kind of stuff, right? So if you still have any problem, if you have still any doubt, which actually I've already told you about everything, but you still have any doubt, click the link, set up a call with me for 15 minutes, and don't worry, it will be me who will be talking to you, not some random dude. You see, I respect your time, and that's the only reason I've created this program, in which I'm not going to only talk about all the gans that I have designed the task in a way where while you're going to do this, you're going to be incorporating all the beliefs and mindsets and rules of the conversation in your head. You will be literally installing all the things that I've learned, and then be a conversation king. And why I told you about the respect of the time is because all the time I receive the call and people are not even aware. So I want you to watch the video whole again. If you think this program is for you, if you think that you want to invest in yourself to become a good conversationalist, then watch this whole thing. Find out why this is important for you, why do you want to do it, why do you don't want to do it, what are the things are stopping you, what are your limitations, and all this thing. Make a list, take it, literally make a list, and then we will be having a call, right? We'll not be just randomly talking, right? I respect your time, you respect my time, and this is how we're going to be working out deal. If you already know that this program is for you, all you need to do is just DM me on AV the Wingman on Instagram, and I'll take things forward from there. PS, मैं ये सारे कॉल सेशन जिसमें तुम मुझसे आके क्वेरी पूछोगे, ये मैं बंद करने वाला हूँ संडे 1 PM शार्प. सो मेक श्योर यू बुक योर स्लॉट्स बिकॉज सीट्स आर लिमिटेड एंड इट विल बी फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. और अगर तुम्हें इस फ्रेमवर्क से, जो कि मैंने इस वीडियो में दिया है, इससे ज़रा सी भी हेल्प मिली, तुम्हारी हल्की सी भी दिमाग की बत्ती जली है और तुम्हें ये समझ आया ना कि भाई द वे आई यूज टू टॉक थोड़ा गड़बड़ था, एंड नाउ विद दिस वे आई कैन टॉक इन अ वेरी डीप वे, और तुम्हारी हल्की सी 1% भी हेल्प हुई है, तो मुझे इस कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट लिख के बताओ कि तुम्हें वीडियो कैसा लगा और तुम्हें मेरे से और क्या जानना है रिलेटेड टू पिकअप, डेटिंग, रिलेशनशिप, फ्रॉम माई यूट्यूब चैनल। और अगर तुम्हें मेरे मिशन में मेरी हेल्प करनी है, तुम्हें अगर अभी भी तुम्हारा पेन पॉइंट याद है जब तुम्हें ये सब नहीं पता था तुम्हारी लाइफ कैसी थी, तुम्हें ये सब पता लगा, तुमने अपनी एक्शन ली और तुम्हारी लाइफ एकदम ट्रांसफॉर्म होगी, अगर तुम हल्का सा भी ये बिलीव रखते हो कि भाई हिंदुस्तान के एक हर लड़के को और एक हर मर्द को ये पता होना चाहिए कि हाउ टू बी अ कॉन्फिडेंट मैन, हाउ टू हैव अ ग्रेट कॉन्वर्सेशन, हाउ टू बी अ मैन हु गेट द थिंग्स ही वांट्स इन हिज लाइफ, हाउ टू लीड द लाइफ इन अ मीनिंगफुल वे एंड क्रिएट अ ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप इन देयर लाइफ। तो मेरा एक ये मिशन है कि मुझे बाय 29 दिसंबर 2022, इस डेट को याद रख लो, 29 दिसंबर 2022 तक 1 लाख लोगों की हेल्प करनी है इसमें, ठीक है। और उसके लिए तुम ये वीडियो शेयर करो अपने विंगमैन्स के साथ, तुम ये वीडियो शेयर करो जिसको तुम्हें देख के लगता है कि उसको कन्वर्सेशन की ज़रूरत है। थैंक्स फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट एंड थैंक्स फ्रॉम द गाइज साइड to whom you're going to be sharing this video from my side. I'll see you on the call first and then in the session on Sunday 5 PM sharp. समझ आया? सब ठीक है? मिले, हाय हेलो करे बात पे, सेशन पे मिलते हैं यार, ठीक है, बाय बाय।